Afterpay, a buy now pay later service, isn't directly integrated into Amazon's US checkout, but you can use it via workarounds like single-use virtual cards or the Afterpay app. This allows interest-free payments in 4 installments over 6 weeks, subject to approval and spending limits. Minimum purchase is $1. Maximum depends on your Afterpay profile. Always ensure your Afterpay account is active. Download the Afterpay app. Install from Google Play or App Store. Sign up or log in with your email or phone number and link a debit or credit card for payments. Access Amazon in the app. Tap Shop. Search for Amazon. Browse products as you would on Amazon's site. Add items to your cart. Ensure they're eligible. No digital products like Kindle books. Proceed to checkout. At checkout, select Afterpay as the payment method. Confirm your order details, shipping address, and payment plan. Afterpay generates a single-use virtual card, Visa, for the transaction. Complete purchase. The app redirects to Amazon or processes seamlessly. The virtual card pays Amazon instantly. You'll see the order in your Afterpay dashboard. Manage payments. Pay the first installment immediately, 0% interest if on time. Subsequent payments auto-debit every 2 weeks. Get reminders via app, email. Alternative. Buy Amazon gift cards. Purchase a gift card on an Afterpay partner site, for example Target.com, then redeem on Amazon.